I am going to teach what are the golden rules of accountancy. Before stepping into the rules, let's discuss what is accountancy. Accountancy is the practice of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting on business transactions. We know that we cannot record or classify the item however we want. That's why we use certain rules to do so. And these golden rules plays a major role in accountancy, and these are the basics to start with accountancy career. And when it comes to rules of accountancy, there are three accounts, namely personal account, real account and nominal account. Under personal account of the debit side, debit, the receiver, means the person who receives cash. Under credit side, credit, the giver, means the person who lends cash out of the business. Under real account, debit side, debit, what comes in, means for example, if we buy any machinery, machinery comes into the business, so it comes under the debit side. Under credit side, credit, what goes out. For example, if we sell the machinery to someone outside the business, so the machinery goes out of the business, so it comes under the credit side. When it comes to the last account, nominal account, under the nominal account of the debit side, debit, all expenses and losses. The losses and expenditure of the business comes under debit. Under credit side, credit, all incomes and gains. The profits and the other incomes of the business comes under the credit side. Hope you all enjoyed my teaching. Meet you all in the next video. Until that, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Bye.